Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to discover hidden airplane mode features you need to try. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your dial pad. You have to dial here star hash 4636 hash star. Present phone information. Here you have to enable this button. If you enable button of this option, you can able to use your data while your airplane mode is on. That's it. So this is how to discover hidden airplane mode features you need to try. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.